So, morning. My name is Maurice Rothwell from TradersClub24, and today I'm going to be showing you the SwissBox strategy, which we invented here at TradersClub24. So, I've got open in the DAX, and I've already opened the open range breakout DAX, and in the corner you can see I've got the SwissBox. Now, I've already created some videos this morning, but unfortunately, due to some technical issues, they didn't actually record, so we're a bit late today. But no worries, there's still a bit of movement in the market at the moment. So what we're going to do is put these box lines on. So over here you can see as soon as I click on the box lines, it creates our Swiss box. Now at the top we have a green line, and then at the bottom we've got an orange line. Now essentially what the Swiss box does, it creates a buy stop and a sell stop order um, at either ends of these lines. So no matter where the market is going, we just have to know that there's going to be some sort of volatility in the market. Now over here I've got the box size set at 15 points. Now this is the recommended box size for the DAX, and I'll move this back down here. You can always turn it off and back on, and it will always place the box over the middle of the market. So wherever the market's at, that will be the middle of the box. Now over here you can see we've got some sets. These are the different settings that you can have for our box with different risk settings and different profit targets. So we're going to go and start that whole again. If we go over to the top, click on the eye, we can see the maximum amount of trades that can be placed with the box. So over here you can see that I've got around 11 trades maximum before we start getting into a bit of a sticky situation. You can see the lot sizes change and the margin changes. So over here you can see that we can enter into the fourth or the fifth trade without being too deep into our margin. Now we close that. On the side here we've got a different target, so this is like a custom target. The normal target will be set around 0.1%, no 0.01% of our balance, and our balance is just over 10,000, 10k account, so that would put it at around €1. And over here, if you want to turn on the custom target, that's at 0.005%, so 50 cents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new box and I'm going to enter into a trade. It's as simple as that. 2 clicks of a button and you've opened into a box. Now as you can see, the box has now turned a yellowy orange color, and at the top and bottom we've now got 2 pending orders. So you can see here that the market's gone outside of the box and it's hit our buy stop, and we've now entered into a buy trade. On the top you can even see the new blue line, and this is our take profit automatically set by the SwissBox. Depending on which settings you set is where the blue line will end up. If we click on here, custom, you can see exactly where the take profit is set and how much profit you will make should it hit the take profit. Now we'll just wait in for some movement. See if we can enter into a second trade for the example. Now if we look over here into the SwissBox, you can see we have this green box. And the reason why that box is green is because we're currently into a buy trade. Should it have gone the other direction and we had entered into a sell trade, the box will be red. And over here in the corner you can see the number 1. That means we're in our first trade. And underneath you can also see how much profit or minus that we're in. So currently we're in 20 to 30 cent profit, and it's going up. So we're not just a few points away from hitting our take profit. Should you see less volatility in the market, you can always hit on our custom target, which, if you remember, is half the size of our target. So should I press this, you see that the blue line jumps down. And should the market be really volatile, you can even customize your take profit, move it up, move it down yourself. Now, just here you'll recognize a red dotted line. Now that is our stop loss. So you can't actually place the take profit above the stop loss because it's going to hit the stop loss first. But should you wish to put it back to its original, you can just click auto and it puts it straight back. As you can see, our first trade is still in profit. And we're getting close to our target. And we're out of our trade. It's hit our take profit and the trade is automatically closed. It's as simple as that. So, thank you for watching. I hope you found it educational. A little introduction into our SwissBox trading strategy. And until next time.